Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, children, in the previous class of maths, we have learnt how to find the difference. And today we are going to do an interesting activity. So, children, our today's topic is find the difference. I hope, children, you all must have understood it. And now, be ready for the activity. Be ready with your notebook, pencil and an eraser. So children, in this activity, you have to find the differences in the pictures and circle them. I am going to show you some pictures. You have to observe both the pictures and find out the differences and circle them. Are you ready, children? Now see the picture and observe it. Now look at the picture which is to your left hand side and tell me what are the things you all can see in this picture. Yes, you can see a tree. What else, children? Yes, a bird. Very good. Now see the picture which is to your right hand side and see what you all can see there. Yes, you can see a tree. Yes, grass. And what else you can see there? Yes, you can see two fruits on the tree. So children, now we are going to find out the difference and we will circle it. Now see, if we compare both the pictures, in both the picture we can find a tree, but there is only bird in the picture which is to your right hand side. So this is the first difference which we can see here in this picture. Now in both the pictures we can see a tree, but only in the picture which is to your right hand side, there on the tree you can see two apples. So this is another difference. And if you observe the picture very carefully, you will understand the picture which is to your right hand side. In that picture we can see here grass. So children, these are the differences which we can see here in these pictures. Understood, children? Are you enjoying activity? Very good. Now let's see the next picture. What you all can see, children, here? Yes, we can see cloud and yes. Which season is going on now? Rainy season. So in the picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can see it's raining. And can you tell me now what is the difference here, children? Yes, I know now you can easily find out and we are going to circle the difference. Yes. See, in the first picture we can see only cloud, but in the second picture we can see raindrops. So we are going to circle all the raindrops. This is the first difference. And in the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture we can see grass and that is not seen in the second picture. So these are the differences which we have circled. Okay, children, now let's see the next picture. Now children, tell me what you can see here. Yes, here in both the pictures we can see a boy. But in both the pictures we can see some different things. Can you name it? Yes, the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture that boy is holding a kite. Yes, very good. And in the second picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture that boy is holding balloons. So this is the main difference which we can see here, and they both are standing in different position. So we are going to circle a kite and balloons. Are you enjoying activity, children? Okay. I hope you all have understood it. Now children, it's a homework time. Teacher wants to give you some homework, and you are going to do it in your notebook. I will explain you first of all what homework you are going to do at house. So children, here you have to find the differences in the pictures and cross them. In the first activity, we have circled the differences, but now here you are going to find out the difference and you have to cross them. Now children, see this picture and you are going to draw the same in your notebook and you will do the homework. This is one more picture which you are going to draw in your notebook and you are going to cross the difference. See, one more picture, you have to do the homework. Here what you can see children? Yes, these are plants. Here also you are going to find out the difference and you will cross it. I hope children you all must have liked the activity and you are going to do this homework in your house. And in the next period we are going to check your homework. Thank you so much children.